The number of people killed in winter crashes jumped 26% in just 1 year, reaching a 4-year high. These aren't just random acts of nature. They're the result of predictable, fatal errors. The deadliest mistake is the simplest, driving too fast for the conditions. Physics is unforgiving on a frozen road. In Ohio, unsafe speed was cited as the cause in 22% of all crashes on snow, ice, or slush. In Michigan, it's even worse. 30% of drivers in winter crashes were reported to be going too fast for the conditions on the ground. The speed limit is a ceiling, not a target. On ice, even advisory limits like 45 miles per hour on an interstate can be dangerously fast. Speed directly fuels the second deadliest mistake, following too closely. That cushion of space you leave in July is useless in January. On slick roads, your reaction time is a lie. The moment you see brake lights, you're already behind. In Ohio, tailgating accounted for 14% of crashes on winter-slicked roads.
That's thousands of collisions that could have been avoided with a few extra car lengths of empty space. The third killer mistake happens before you even turn the key: inadequate vehicle preparation. Your car is your survival equipment, and most people head into the storm unprepared. This isn't just about topping off your washer fluid, it's about your tires. Those all-season tires, they are a compromise, and winter is no time for compromise. Dedicated winter tires can reduce your stopping distance by a full 30% on snowy or icy roads. In fact, winter tires provide better traction at a frigid minus 30 degrees Celsius than all-season tires do at a mild plus 4 degrees. Checking your battery, wipers, and defrosters are not suggestions. They are essential preparations for a hostile environment. Neglecting them can cost you more than a repair bill. It can lead to your insurance denying a claim if they determine you were negligent. Now take those hazardous conditions and add a driver who is impaired or distracted. These are the fourth and fifth horsemen of the winter road. Judgment and reaction time are the first things to go, and they are the only things that can save you on a patch of black ice. While we lack specific winter-only stats for impaired driving, we know it's a major factor in fatalities year-round.
As for distractions, a glance at a phone is all it takes. Remember, adverse weather is already a factor in a quarter of all deaths during the winter months. Adding distraction or impairment is like throwing gasoline on a fire. These mistakes create a deadly landscape across the country, especially in states like Michigan, which leads the nation with an average of 42 road deaths every winter. And the danger is most acute on rural roads. Despite lower traffic, rural areas see a higher fatality rate, with icy or slushy conditions being nearly twice as prevalent as in urban centers. The reasons are stark: higher speeds, longer emergency response times, and less advanced road maintenance. It's a perfect storm of risk. It's easy to blame the snow, to curse the ice, but the ice doesn't decide your speed. The snow doesn't choose your following distance or check your tire pressure. These 5 deadly mistakes aren't acts of nature, they're human choices. And in the dead of winter, they are the choices that separate a safe arrival from a statistic.